Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this model from MK Miniatures 164 scale, and it is the Ratchet, Hummer from Transformers. But on the package I couldn't find anything about Transformers. So probably not a licensed vehicle. We can see MK Miniatures is active on social media, Facebook and something else. And they also have a website. Do I have more models from this brand? Yes. But this is the first one I'm doing a review about. Let's not wait any longer and let's get this out of the package. I'm going to use my Switch Army knife. You can take this out if you want. Oh, there is some tape. There we go. Feels heavy. Hummer H2. No opening parts, I think. Let's take it off the base and see if it's still heavy, because I think the base is also pretty heavy. Whoa, that's very tight. Boy, I don't like it when the screw is that tight. Okay, there we go. Phew. Hummer Ambulance, a limited, one of 1499. Is this number one? Or it's just one from out of the 1499. Let me know if you have this model. I want to know if it also says one. Yeah, metal base. That is pretty cool. And a silver colored exhaust. Good rolling tires. I know a lot of you, I think, no, bleh. Yeah, this is amateuristic dude style, not an AI video. But I do know that a lot of you people think it's important that it has rolling wheels. Well, this one has very good rolling wheels. Nice accessories here on the side. Good spare tire. Same as the one underneath the vehicle. More equipment here on the side. Very well painted. Let's have a look at the interior. Black interior, no colored details. Good steering wheel. Yeah, good black interior. Yeah, landslides in the front. This is made out of plastic, but the rest is all made out of die-cast. Yeah, this is also made out of plastic, but that's normal. Really good looking vehicle. Do I have another? There is no suspension. It would be cool if it had some realistic suspension. Yeah, I have another one. I have this one. Definitely not as premium as this one. So this one is very welcome. This is the first premium 164 scale model ever made of Ratchet. The cool thing about this one, you can see it has a robot. So it would be cool if there was some sort of robot face or robot underneath it, underneath the truck, letting us know that it is from Transformers, or some Transformers sign here on the back or the side or whatever. Also here, just like Hot Wheels did with Bumblebee, they gave it a robot head underneath the vehicle. I like that. By the way, here we have the Camaro in 164 scale. It's not Super accurate. Comes with an opening part. Did a review about this one, you can look it up. Also no robot underneath it. Do I have more Transformers vehicles in 1/64 scale? Yes. I also have Optimus Prime, the truck. And this one is also from Transformers, made by Topkick. That comes from the GCD factory. I got a comment from someone. Thank you very much, letting me know Topkick is from the GCD factory. Very cool model. This is the other one, matte black with shark mouth. Also very cool. Yeah. Optimus Prime truck is in the box. Have to find a good place for it, but you can look it up. Did a review about it. Really happy with this one. Feels very heavy with the metal base, metal body. Let me know what you think about it. And don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you very much for that. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon with more Diecast. Bye.